continues to spread across the globe, not only in animals, but now in more Americans than ever in history, many people are starting to ask the dreaded question: is this the next pandemic that humans are about to face?
H5N1, the current subtype of bird flu being talked about, is an influenza A virus, which are the kind of viruses responsible for the most global pandemics in human history more than any other pathogen. H5N1 first infected humans in 1997 in China, with its largest impact between 2003 to 2015 in Southeast Asia. Both outbreaks required massive efforts to contain, including killing entire domestic poultry populations, and while levels did taper off, the virus continued to mutate and travel throughout bird communities, both wild and domestic. In 2024, it seemingly took a dangerous turn, this time spilling into small.
Since the start of 2024, around 80 people internationally have been infected, 67 of which were in the United States, with 1 dying. And that's partially because of how influenza transmits. On its surface, it has something called a hemagglutinin, or HA, which binds to specific receptors in a potential host. And this bird flu isn't optimally adapted or compatible to the receptors in our human, its infected humans so far. In fact, a key symptom of H5N1 is conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye. 93% of people infected have had pink eye, 49% experienced a fever, and 36% had respiratory. The more mammal-to-mammal transmission we see, the greater this risk becomes. In fact, samples from the first human case contracted from a dairy cow already showed a mutation of something called the polymerase protein, which helps the virus replicate by using the host cell's machinery. This mutation from cows allows increased proliferation more effectively than any bird flu virus before.